started raining achanak se here in the streets of Tokyo, so I bought umbrella from 7-Eleven. It was for 608 yen. I will write all the exchanges, the rates in INR and dollars on the screen. So this was 608. Yeah, it's pretty big for 608. That's the Takeshita. I am here at Takashita Street, and there are a lot of souvenir shops here where you can buy souvenirs. I'm here I'm here to look out at some of the gifts I can buy.
Thank you for using.
There's a famous cafe here called Dog Cafe. I'm just standing right opposite to it. This is the cafe which is very famous in the street. Let's go try some food and shop some more things. I bought this. Namaste.
Apparently, crepes are very famous in Japan. There are different types of crepes on display with their prices and numberings. You just have to go to the counter and tell the number that you want, and they will give it to you.
Really nice. Saw something very fascinating. There are two types of cars. The American German cars have their steering wheel on the left side, and the Japanese cars they have steering wheel on the right side, like in India. So it's really fascinating that they have steering on both the sides in this country. So you cannot really tell which side you're gonna get.
This is a mall right there, and there is this opening on the mall for a landscape view or whatever. That was very fascinating to me as well. I was just walking down the shopping street areas, and we were headed to see the Shibuya crossing, which is the busiest crossing in the world.
I'm at a souvenir shop, and they have some really cute souvenirs in the shop. They have this shorts glass for 660 yen. They have some chopsticks. They have these Japanese hairpins which are really cute. I got the fridge magnet for myself. That's Japanese pen.
Next, we decided to go to Shinjuku at night and see the Godzilla, but because we missed it unfortunately, but it was nighttime, so not very visible. And then decided to have this authentic Japanese curry, chicken curry dinner, and also had miso soup and fish. and this is where you will see me eat authentic Japanese, first time in a Japanese restaurant. So enjoy seeing me eat. After dinner, decided to play this game where I was very excited. It has been so late. It's already 12:30. While going home, we discovered that the trains are stopped. I mean, the last train, we already missed the last train. Here we are crossing the main area. So we have taken a taxi. Now. It was so difficult to explain the address since he cannot even read English and doesn't understand anything. So I had to translate a lot. It was very difficult.